Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your drafts back on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the application that is TikTok. And you need to update your TikTok application. As you can see that my TikTok is up to date. Then you need to go back and open the TikTok application, and then you need to take a screenshot of your profile and click on three bars in the top right and go into the settings and privacy. As you can see that there is no direct option, so you simply need to click on report a problem. Once you click on that option, so here you can find different options, so you simply need to click on videos and sound, and here you need to click on others, and after that no, and click on need more help, and here you need to mention and write your issue to the TikTok team and attach a screenshot that you taken, and then you need to click on submit. Once you click on submit, then the TikTok team will contact you within 48 hours and help you resolve your issue. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.